Welcome. If you're a Telegram user who often finds yourself accidentally sending messages while trying to add more text, you're not alone. The default setting in Telegram sends messages with the Enter key, which can be both helpful and frustrating. Today, I'll show you how to disable the Enter as Send feature on Telegram, allowing you to take control of your messaging experience. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Telegram app open on your Android device. This is where your messaging journey begins. Now, look for the menu icon located at the top left corner of the screen. This icon usually looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and tap on it to access the main menu. Once you're in the menu, scroll down and select Settings. This is where all the customization options for your Telegram app live. In the Settings menu, you'll need to tap on Chat Settings. This section contains various options for managing your chat experience, including the sending preferences. Now, scroll down until you find the Send with Enter option. When you locate it, simply turn it off. This will disable the default setting, allowing you to hit Enter without sending your message immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the Enter as Send feature on Telegram. Now you can type as much as you wish without worrying about accidentally sending your message prematurely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy messaging!